G'day guys and welcome back to my wok. Now I'm going to do a simple Pomodoro sauce. It's a pasta sauce. Now what I got here in the wok is some mini Roma tomatoes which I've sliced up. Got a heap of olive oil in there. Now I'm going to cook these tomatoes down. We need the sweetness of the tomato, of course. So once they've cooked down a bit, then we can add our passata. If you don't know what passata is, you can Google it. It's just tomato sauce. Now, as you can see, it's broken down there. It's and the sweetness has come. I already had a taste. Now, I've already put salt and pepper. In goes the passata. Going to give this a bit of a mix. Now, I'm also adding some chili flakes because I love chili. A little bit of garlic. It's optional. And obviously salt and pepper again, just season as you go. In goes the basil, fresh basil there. Tell you what, if you've never smelled basil, I'll tell you what, you're missing something out of your life. So we're going to cook this for another 5 minutes. Ravioli is boiling there. This is going to be a ravioli dish. And there you have it. Now you might look at this plate and think, it's just sauce. Well, ravioli is there and I like a lot of sauce, so sometimes you go to restaurants, you don't get enough sauce. Bit of basil for garnish. Pretty simple sauce that you can make. Doesn't get easier than this. Like, comment, subscribe and share, and I'll see you later.